Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Google Gemini API key, only ways. Create a Google Cloud project, enable the Gemini API, and set up billing with a valid payment method. Next, create a service account, grant it appropriate roles, download the JSON key, and restrict the key to specific APIs and IPs for security before testing with a simple API call using curl or your preferred HTTP client to confirm access. To create a service account, open the IAM console, choose New Service Account, and assign minimal roles for least privilege. Then generate and download the JSON key, store it encrypted or in a secrets manager, and expose it to apps via environment variables or your CI secret system. Finally, test the account by calling the Gemini endpoint with the JSON key and confirm the expected responses to validate permissions and connectivity. If this guide is helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear, practical videos. Quick recommendation. For long setup sessions in your car, grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep the cabin fresh and focused. It's a small comfort that makes debug time nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you love discounts, look there first. Now let's get back to the video. Secure your key by restricting it to necessary APIs and IPs, rotating keys on a schedule, and storing them in a managed secret store. Avoid embedding keys in source code or public repos, and grant roles sparingly. Set up logging and alerts to catch unusual usage, and always test key rotation by updating a test client. Finally, document your process so team members can follow secure steps for key issuance and revocation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.